You are all welcome in this video lecture on sp3 symmetry and quark model. The three references used in these slides are shown here. The four fundamental interactions in nature are gravitational force, weak force, electromagnetic force, and strong force. And the corresponding force carrier particles are respectively gravitons, W and Z bosons, photons, and gluons. In different interactions, physicists call particle types as flavors. For example, charm flavor and strange flavors are used. Weak interactions can change a charm quark into a strange quark, emitting a virtual W boson. Based upon the statistics followed, the fundamental particles can broadly be classified into two parts, bosons and fermions. Bosons have integral spins and obey Bose-Einstein statistics. Fermions don't have integral spins and follow Fermi-Dirac statistics. They are further sub-categorized into many different categories as shown here. Bosons into two categories, photons and mesons. Fermions into leptons and baryons. Leptons into neutron, neutrino, electron and mu mesons. Baryons into nucleon and hyperon. Nucleon into proton and neutron. Hyperon into lambda, sigma, xi and omega hyperons. Broadly, matter is divided into hadrons and leptons. Hadrons into baryons and mesons. Baryons are made of 3 quarks and mesons are made of 1 quark and antiquark. The Noether theorem states that every continuous symmetry implies a corresponding conservation law, and conversely, every conservation law reveals a symmetry in the system. Symmetry under translation in space leads to conservation of linear momentum. Symmetry under rotation leads to conservation of angular momentum. Symmetry under translation in time leads to conservation of energy. Symmetry under gauge transformation leads to conservation of charge. In addition to all this, there are internal symmetries. For example, sp2 symmetry and sp3 symmetry. For electrons and electron neutrinos, lepton number Le is equal to +1, and for anti-electrons and anti-electron neutrinos, lepton number is -1, and for all other particles, lepton number is 0. Lepton number conservation have been shown here in 2 gamma decays, and in 1 gamma decay it is forbidden because this gamma decay has resulted into leptons of different generations. In this slide, 3 gamma decays, 1 gamma decay, 1 Z0 boson decay and W- boson decay have been shown as allowed, and 3 disallowed or forbidden decays have been shown. There are no interactions that mix leptons from different generations. Now, for baryons, baryon number is equal to +1. For anti-baryons, baryon number is equal to -1. Mesons have baryon number 0. For quarks, baryon number is +1/3. For anti-quarks, baryon number is equal to -1/3. Baryon number is an additive quantum number. Proton-proton collision result in antiproton p bar, keeping baryon number conserved. In first reaction, baryon number is equal to 2 both on LHS and RHS. In the next reaction, baryon number is equal to +3 both on RHS and +2 again, not 3, +2 again both on RHS and LHS. In RHS, 3 pi mesons have been shown. There is nothing like conservation of meson number. Concept of isospin was introduced by Heisenberg. Protons and neutrons are the 2 isospins of the nucleon. Both for p and n, isospin I is equal to half, but its z component is plus half for proton and minus half for neutron, as it has been shown in the Kate state for p and n. Proton to neutron and neutron to proton transformation has an internal SE2 symmetry. Up quark U and down quark D form the isospin doublet. Matrices for quark are UD, and for anti-quark Q bar it is minus D bar U bar. Doublet and anti-doublet interactions result in singlet and triplet states as shown. SE2 symmetries has two quark states U and D, and SU3 symmetry has three quark states U, D and S. U stands for up quark having charge Q equal to plus 2 by 3, D stands for down quark having charge Q equal to minus 1 by 3, and S stands for strange quark having Q equal to minus 1 by 3 again. Gell-Mann and Zwick proposed mesons to be made up of one quark and one anti-quark, and baryons to be made up of three quarks. For strong interactions, SU3 symmetry holds. Now, SE2 symmetry has U and D, that is up quark and down quark, which form isospin doublet with three generators, which are traceless and Hermitian 2 by 2 matrices. Generators of SE2 are Pauli matrices, whereas SE3 symmetry has three quarks U, D and S, which form isospin triplets with 8 generators, which are traceless and Hermitian 3 by 3 matrices. Generators of SU3 are Gell-Mann matrices. Now, mesons. Q bar combinations of meson results in a singlet and an octet state. SU3 flavor is broken by UDS quark mass differences and contributions from quark spin interactions. Q combinations of baryons results in a singlet, 2 octets and 1 decuplet states. As proposed by Gell-Mann and Zwick, the baryon decuplet is shown in these slides. Next, discrete symmetries. It has charge conjugation, parity and time reversal. CPT invariance. Charge conjugation C changes particle into antiparticle. Parity operation P spatially reflects the system. Time reversal operator T changes the direction of time. All interactions remain invariant under the combined CPT operations. Thanks for the attention.